بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah, beginning with the name of the most gracious, the merciful.
إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب.
Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of night and day, are signs for the intelligent.
बेशक आसमानों और जमीन की पैदाइश और रात और दिन के बदल बदल कर आने जाने में अक्ल वालों के लिए निशानियां हैं.
وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون.
And it is He who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. All heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming.
और वही तो है जिसने रात और दिन और सूरज और चांद को बनाया. ये सब यानी सूरज और चांद और सितारे आसमान में इस तरह चलते हैं गोया तैर रहे हैं.
लश्शम्सु यंबगी लहा अन तुदरिकल क़मर वलल लैलु साबिक़ुन नहार वकुल्लुन फी फलकिन यस्बहून.
It is not allowable for the sun to reach the moon, nor does the night overtake the day, but each in an orbit is swimming.
न तो सूरज ही से हो सकता है कि चांद को जा पकड़े और न रात ही दिन से पहले आ सकती है और सब अपने अपने दायरे में तैर रहे हैं.
All swimming in an orbit. The idea behind all of this is that, if God is telling us, all swimming in an orbit, this means that the natural mechanical movement of everything in the universe, either it is radiation, dark matter, energy or solid masses, it is swimming, or what we call in physics, wavy motion. Modern science informed us that the moon is moving around the Earth in an oval, or elliptical orbit. Also the Earth and the rest of the planets revolve in oval, or elliptical orbit around the Sun. So how come the space objects are moving in oval or elliptical orbits, while God telling us it is moving in a wavy way inside its orbits? When an object is floating on the surface of a wave, it will appear moving up and down following a circular or oval path. Suppose this object moves up and down and, at the same time it follows the track of the wave. By moving forward with it, it will appear swimming for an outer observer, but still appear moving in a circular or oval path for an observer located in or on that object. Also we know from mathematics, if any rotating object needs to keep rotating around its center of rotation, after that center of rotation moved from its place, it must follow a wavy track around it. In 1925, American astronomer Edwin Hubble provided observational evidence that all galaxies are moving away from one another, which implies that the universe is expanding. The expansion of the universe is now an established scientific fact. This is what the Quran says regarding the nature of the universe about 1400 years ago.
وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ.
And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander.
Due to the expansion of the universe, this means that no object will return to its old place, so since circular or oval path can result only if an object return to its old starting point, after rotating around another object, this means that no object in the universe is rotating in oval or circular orbit. So from all of the above, we can reach a result: everything in the universe, to keep its local oval or circular track around another moving object, it must follow a wavy track. How the moon appeared to us moving around the Earth in an oval path, while we are saying it is a wavy orbit. At first, imagine you were sitting inside a car in the center of a roundabout. A car came from behind, and moved towards your right, then front of you, then to your left and back to behind. There is no doubt that you will see the vehicle moving around you in a circular path, as in figure. Now imagine that you are sitting inside a silver moving car. Without your feeling, a yellow car came from behind you, increased its speed, and passed you from right. Then turned to left to be in front of you, then went more to the left, to be in your front left side. After that, this car reduced its speed, so you started passing it, and it became at your left. At that moment, the driver of that car took to the right, and become behind you. If you were watching that vehicle from inside your car, and somebody asked you describe the path of that vehicle around you, you will tell it came from behind me to right, front, left and behind, so you will describe the path, the same one you described while your vehicle was stationary in the center of the roundabout. The result is that, you are drawing a circular path of that vehicle. But there is one observer watching from a distance, over your silver car, and over the other yellow car. This observer is drawing a different path than the one you have drawn, he is drawing a wavy path for the yellow vehicle around you. The moon is moving in the same way around the Earth. When it's behind the Earth its speed is the lowest, that is 0.968 km per second. Then the speed increases, while the moon is passing the Earth from the right, until it reach maximum value 1.022 km per second at the moment, when the moon is in front of the Earth. Then moon's speed begins to decrease, while the moon is at the left. The reason why the Earth passes it, its speed decreases, until it become behind the Earth again, where its speed is the lowest.